Steaming up. Steaming up. Got my glasses on and I'm steaming up. Getting pissed off, I'm steaming up. Faffing. Well, spring's turned into winter, back into winter again. Welcome back to the channel. And we're doing the morning commute. I'm going to go to work this morning and see what disasters behold me. Because some lunatic who services them has ordered the wrong cheap. Oh, for what are you doing? The cheap part. So they've ordered it either from Wish or eBay. I don't know either. From China probably. And let's open my visor a bit because I can't see a fucking thing. Anyway, and yeah, which results in the bleeding wheels falling off. So yeah, it's all good. So I go to work this morning and find out what the situation with that is, because the replacement vehicles that I've got are also wank. Oh dear. So yeah, it's got to be. It's not actually too cold. I say it's cold. It's not as cold as what it was yesterday. He didn't give me a wave, didn't say hello. Screw you, you bell end. Some proper bell ends lately. I suppose you don't have to say hello, but it'd be nice bit of solidarity. Hey. I'm in a rush. I haven't put my neck, what? Blah, 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 blah. In a bit of a rush. Haven't put my neck scarf on, and now my fucking neck is freezing. And I'll tell you what else I haven't put on is my. Oh, there we go. Jesus! Didn't do my helmet up. Oh! Jesus! I've done that a couple of times. I'll put it on in my haste to get ready for work and or on my way home. Oh my god, what are you doing? Right, need to chill. My mirror's out as well. What's all that about? There we go. Alright, let's have a chill pill. Yeah, so yeah, let's go see what disasters are awaiting me at work. Just one thing after another at the minute. Contact lenses are still playing up. Oh my goodness. My eyes are on fire, so that's why I've got the glasses on today. And oh my god. So I've got double the fogging up issues this morning. Yeah, look at that. What I need to do is get a little, have something so I can have my visor slightly open like that. Now I used to have on my Shark, I'm pretty sure my Shark helmet does that. You have a little, yeah, so you can have a little gap to get some air circulating around your helmet. There's nothing like a nice bit of cool wind around your helmet. Here we go, let's get some more, look. The trouble is though, it just keeps steaming up every time I close it. I think this visor's pin lock ready as well. I'm going to have to get myself a pin lock. There's Mr. TNT man going. I haven't cleaned my visor from yesterday as well, so my visor's a bit dirty as well. Oh, bad drills all around this morning. Oh, drills this morning. Hitting the holes as well. Get past them. Moving roadblock. I also think I might have a move around of my. Oh my god. Why is it I find all the crap and the holes on the road? I like to get drawn to it like a moth to a fucking light. Jesus. Anyway, yeah. I can feel my microphone touching my lips. I'm going to have to, I think I'm going to need to adjust it, I reckon. And I noticed when I'm vlogging at like 80-90 miles an hour, get quite a lot of wind, pardon me, wind noise going through, so I'm just wondering if I should make it a bit higher so it's not quite at the bottom of the, I've got a chin curtain on my helmet, but maybe just move it up slightly, I reckon, so it's a bit more higher. It may be in line with my top lip and my nose, and see if that helps the audio, but we shall see. Ooh, that was tight! So, welcome back people. Today didn't turn out to be quite as bad as what I was expecting it to be. I think I'm getting a few spots of rain actually. Whoa! Getting a gale blowing down my top here. Chin! What's all that about? Where's my zip? There we go, let's zip it up. Yeah, so vehicles are still all US, amaze balls, no change there. I've played around with the mic, so I'll put the mic up a bit higher in the crash helmet, see if that makes any difference. Oh, look at that! Look at that hook. You probably won't see that on the bike cam. It's a cheeky one today. Well, I think I'm going to end this video here. If you like the videos, hit that like button, hit the thumbs up. If you want to subscribe. If you want to get notifications every time I upload a video, hit that notification bell. If you've got any comments, put those down in the comments boxes below. And that, my friends, is Jim Diesel out. Tight.